Hello lovies, this is Gina from Gina Louise Designs. Welcome to my channel. In today's project, I'm going to show you how to make these adorable carpets for your dollhouse. They're so easy to make and so inexpensive, and you're going to be addicted to making beautiful rugs for your dollhouse. To make these carpets, I go on websites that sell rugs and I pick out pretty designs that will match the dollhouse that I am decorating, and I download the photos, I upload them to Staples, and for a quarter, I think under 50 cents, I print out these beautiful images in all different sizes. These are the ones that I'm going to show you today. I love these prints. I thought they were beautiful carpets. These are the supplies you're going to need. Mod Podge, you could use fabric Mod Podge, you could use matte, it doesn't matter. Fabric that you can pull the threads out to make fringe. I prefer to use muslin, a paintbrush, and here are the prints that I printed out in different sizes. You can make small little throw rugs, large ones for the living room, doormats, whatever size you need for your dollhouse. First, I cut out my rugs. Then I take my piece of muslin and I look to see the size that I need. I put my rug down as my pattern to cut around, and I'll do a little snip, and then I will tear because it will give you that little fringe edge, and then you could pull threads out to make your fringe as long as you would like. Keep pulling those threads out to make that pretty fringe on all four sides. You can iron the fabric if you want, but the Mod Podge really takes the wrinkles out, so you really don't have to worry about that. It's your preference. The first set of rugs I used the fabric Mod Podge, and these I did with the matte Mod Podge, and there really was no difference. They both came out nice. I spread the Mod Podge all over the back of the image, but I'm sure you could do it the other way around and spread the Mod Podge on the fabric if you desire. And if anyone does this project and does put the Mod Podge on the fabric first, let me know how that worked out for you. Leave a comment below. I took my Cricut scraper to spread it out, to smooth everything out. That worked good. My brayer worked great too. I used that on the first batch of rugs that I made. I forgot to mention that I put down a piece of plastic to do this on because I had craft paper on my work area and I didn't want it to stick to it, but you can use wax paper. Look how pretty these rugs are. You can put a double layer of fabric on if you want. Now, here are the final results. If you enjoyed this DIY, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. It will help my channel grow. I appreciate it. And if you are going to try this DIY, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.